Yeah, just finished 265 Christmas makes. Now I need a tea break. What's that? Hello? What? You're having a Christmas market? And there's not enough snow? And you desperately need a snowman now? Or else thousands of people will be disappointed? Okay, I know what to do. Okay, hang in there, hang in there. We don't need snow, we have boxes. Just think of each box as a huge snowball. Just make sure that the flaps are glued down so that the box is sealed. Let's say this is the choice for your head. Then we can open up the mouth. Then some white on the tooth. Then we need a hat. A top hat. Let me show you how to make it. Take a suitable size box, then find a flatter box that can serve as a rim around the hat. A pizza box is perfect for this use. You just gotta get rid of the pizza first. Then we glue them together and paint the whole thing black. Then we need a bit of gray as a band around the hat. Now that we have a hat, we need a head. So check with your other boxes which size you think will fit. So we can have a big head, small head, even smaller head.
I feel better.
Weird head. Whoa. Whee. Shakaboga. Whatever you can find. And we are ready for the face. As you know, a snowman doesn't have a real nose. It's got a orange. Just kidding. It's got a banana. Here's one that I have made from a drinking bottle. I have just painted it orange and added a ring of cardboard at the end to make it easier to stick onto the head later. The eyes I have just cut out of cardboard and then painted black and white. I have also added an extra little bit of cardboard here to bring the eyes out and look more 3D. The same thing goes with the buttons. Yeah, here are the buttons. They're black on one side and then cardboard with a little chip there on the other side to make them more 3D. Oh, goodness me! It's late. I don't have time to finish. I gotta go.
Help! Hey!
Oh yeah, I made it just in time. And look, here comes the horses and ponies. Hello, horses and ponies. Look, I got your snowman. I made it, yeah. Just in time. Oh, they're gonna be happy now. I hope in this video you have all discovered your inner snowman maker. Just go ahead, make lots of snowmen, fill up the whole house, and drive your parents crazy. This place was just perfect for me because I love drawing animals, and here they had tons of them. In fact, everything was so successful, I decided to entertain everybody with my world-famous stage show.
everybody.